You don't just build something like this. You have to question everything that came before it. We redefined a market before with 7 Marine, and we're here to do it again. We've created something that will change the industry completely. What if storage, seating, navigation, even covering adapted to you? We took our favorite features and put them into one cutting-edge platform. We didn't start with tradition. We started with the art of possibility. Every line, every surface, sculpted with purpose. Modular systems, embedded intelligence, touch-based controls that feel more automotive than marine. We didn't build to compete, we built to reinvent. This isn't just a boat, it's a platform to redefine your experience. And we call this Flamingo Rome.
I've led teams in product development in marine, both large and small, over the last 50 years. Engineering and launching more motors than you can count. And as you can well imagine, I've about seen it all. That's why I'm excited about this opportunity to introduce you to Flamingo. In the past, when you said apple, people think of fruit. But today, people think of the world's biggest tech brand. That's because Apple was looking through the windshield, not the rearview mirror. Flamingo is taking on a similar challenge, a new way of thinking, a new expectation for what is possible. We're not upgrading old ideas. We're starting fresh, building better from the beginning. For instance, our new dynamic floor plan, no longer static. It moves and grows as your family does. Hideaway tables, convertible serving areas, wings that expand your water frontage. Innovative storage. All working together. Innovation means starting with what people want and then delivering the unexpected. This thinking really sets Flamingo apart. The team, the spirit, the commitment to doing it right. The Rome will be our first product, delivering new value to the marine industry, making boating more enjoyable for you, your friends, and your family. Welcome to Flamingo.
Welcome to Flamingo.
Welcome to Flamingo.